I'm Jen Carl Sibabaan, 8th year, a regular student at PCCR. Today, I'll share the labs that excite me the most. I chose the ballistics lab because I learned about firearms, ammunitions, and bullet comparison, helping match bullets to guns. And I also enjoy the biology lab, where we study blood, hair, and DNA, evidence that connects suspects to crime scenes. Those were the skills that helped me build my skills in evidence analysis and strengthen my accuracy and reasoning. And it's all important for my future as a forensic specialist. That's all for my blog, and thank you. And I look forward to learn more in those labs. Thank you all, and I love you all, guys. Thank you for watching my blog.